students. Welcome back to the new session of Class First Science, chapter number 8, that is House and Clothes. So, students, today we will learn about the two basic necessities of our lives, that is house and clothes, as they both protect us from various aspects of our life. So, now, today in this session, we will learn about our clothes, alright, different types of clothes, parts of a house, and also what the types of clothes. So now let's start the chapter. The very first topic is our house. So we all need a house to live in. As I told you, हम सभी को एक house, एक घर की ज़रूरत है रहने के लिए, because house हमें protect करता है from heat, cold, rain and wind से. Alright, and also it keeps us safe. उसके साथ साथ house हमें thieves यानी कि चोर से, wild animals से भी protect करता है. Now rooms in a house. So as we all know कि एक house के अंदर there are different types of rooms. And हर एक room को use किया जाता है for different purpose. You can see this is the house below, give it to you. Learn about it different room. Okay? See. So let's read about different rooms of a house and their use. एक घर के अंदर जो different rooms होते हैं और उन्हें किस purpose के लिए use किया जाता है, we will learn over here. First of all, we have the first room, that is bedroom. So bedroom is a place, bedroom एक place है to sleep and take rest. एक ऐसा room जहाँ हम सोते हैं, rest करते हैं, that is known as bedroom. Second, we have bedroom. Bedroom में आप क्या करते हो? You brush your teeth, हम अपने teeth brush करते हैं, and also we take bath in the bedroom. Second, we have study room. Study room में what we'll do? We will study, right? Next, we have dining room. Dining room में हम क्या करते हैं? We eat food in the dining room with our family. अपनी family के साथ बैठ के हम खाना खाते हैं. कहाँ? Dining room में बैठते हैं. Next, we have drawing room. So drawing room में we welcome guest, हम अपने guest का welcome करते हैं, and also we watch television, that is TV ही हम कहाँ देखते हैं? अपने drawing room में. Next is kitchen. Kitchen क्या है? Is a place where we cook food and wash utensils. एक ऐसी place, ऐसी जगह हमारे घर में जहाँ आप खाना पकाते हैं and also utensils को भी wash करते हैं. That is known as kitchen. Alright, so these were the different rooms in a house. Next we have what? Clothes. So we need clothes to cover our body. अपनी body को cover करने के लिए हमें clothes की ज़रूरत होती है. Clothes हमें protect करते हैं from heat, cold, rain, snow, dust and germs. Alright. So now we have what? Types of clothes. So we wear different types of clothes at different times. अलग अलग टाइम पे हम different types के clothes wear करते हैं. Like what? कि we wear cotton and short clothes in summer. Summers यानी कि गर्मियों में हम cotton के and short clothes पहनना पसंद करते हैं because ये clothes हमें cool रखते हैं in the summers because it's very hot in summer season. So to protect us, to keep our body cool, we wear these cotton and short clothes. Secondly, winters. Winters में आप क्या करते हो? आप woolen and thick यानी कि मोटे कपड़े पहनते हो, woolen ऊनी कपड़े पहनते हो because winters में it is very cold and ये clothes हमारी body को warm रखते हैं. Alright. Next we have what? Rainy season. Rainy season यानी कि जब बहुत बारिश होती है. So over there what we wear? हम raincoat पहनते हैं and umbrella carry करते हैं when we go out in the rain during the rainy season. जब आप घर से बाहर जाते हो so खुद को protect करने के लिए so that you do not get wet. इसीलिए आप बाहर जब जाते हैं umbrella carry करते हैं and also हम क्या raincoat पहनकर बाहर जाते हैं. Right? See, we use gumboots and an umbrella during the rainy season. Gumboots and umbrella का use किया जाता है rainy season में. Then in a school, जब आप एक school में होते हैं, all the students wear the same type of clothes. School में सभी students एक ही तरीके के clothes पहनते हैं and उसे कहा जाता है what? That is school uniform. Alright? See, identify the people in the uniform and write their names in the plan. So यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? इन लोगों को पहचानना है जो अपने अपने प्रोफेशन के अकॉर्डिंग पर्टिकुलर यूनिफॉर्म में है and you have to write their names. So now you can see this is what he is, doctor. So ये डॉक्टर की यूनिफॉर्म में है, that means he is doctor. Then he is policeman. So we'll write over here policeman. All right. Then he is what? He is architect. So we'll write over here architect. because ये क्या करते हैं? ये हमारी बिल्डिंग्स का, हाउसेस का डिजाइन्स बनाते हैं. So he is known as architect. Then he is what? He is lawyer. कौन है? Lawyer, because he is wearing the uniform of lawyer. Then he is postman. Postman क्या करता है? He deliver our letters. So we'll write over here postman. And she is nurse. So we'll write over here nurse. All right. Now, where do we get clothes? हमें ये clothes students कहाँ से मिलते हैं? So we make our clothes from cotton, wool and silk. हम अपने कपड़ों को cotton, wool and silk से बनाते हैं. And in cotton, wool and silk को कहा जाता है fabrics. Alright. So if we talk about cotton, so cotton हमें मिलता है cotton plant से. Then wool, wool आपको मिलता है from sheep and camel. इन animals से आपको wool मिलता है. एंड सिल्क जो हमें फाइबर है वो मिलता है फ्रॉम द इंसेक्ट नोन एज सिल्क वॉर्म. ये सिल्क वॉर्म है, इससे हमें क्या मिलता है? सिल्क मिलता है. राइट. नाउ लेट अस रिकॉल द चैप्टर. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, आवर हाउस प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम. हमारा हाउस हमें हीट, कोल्ड, विंड एंड रेन सबसे प्रोटेक्ट करता है. अ गुड हाउस, एक अच्छे घर के अंदर क्या होते हैं? डिफरेंट रूम्स होते हैं. If we talk about clothes, so clothes में हमें heat, cold, rain, snow, dust, germs इन सभी से protect करते हैं. We wear cotton clothes. Cotton clothes हम कब पहनते हैं? During summer season. Then woolen clothes हम पहनते हैं during winter season. If we talk about cotton, तो cotton आपको मिलता है from the cotton plant. And we get silk from the silkworm. Right? So that's all for the chapter which is completed over here. These were the importance of clothes and house in our daily life. And I hope you must have understood the chapter very carefully. Let's meet in the next session. Till then, keep going well, learn well, and thanks to everyone.